Finally home. I am completely exhausted.
Hey, my love, you look worn out. Come sit down for a bit. Do you want me to grab something to eat tonight?
Maybe a quick burger. I really can't manage cooking today.
All right, just this once. But here's the deal. On our day off, we'll spend the whole day preparing meals for the week, and I'll be helping you every step of the way in the kitchen.
Really? You'll actually cook with me?
Absolutely. I'm not leaving you alone. This is our big kitchen adventure day.
Well then, this time, burger it is. After that, we start the weekly meal plan. Let's place the order, burger and fries.
Just wait a bit. Let's not overdo it. Only a couple of things. We don't want to ruin the plan for the week.
Fine. The burger today is on you.
But next time, everything we eat will come from our own kitchen. Understood?
Sure, but today's an exception.
All right, let's get started. I've bought all the ingredients, fresh vegetables, meat, spices, and bread.
Perfect. The kitchen is going to be busy today.
Busy? It's going to be an adventure, and I'm ready for it.
And ready to make a mess of all the ingredients, too.
Not just me, we're a team.
Come here. You handle the meat, I'll prepare the vegetables.
Got it. Then I'll make the sauces.
And after that, you'll help me pack the containers?
Of course. It'll save us a lot of time during the week.
I was thinking about ordering takeout again today, but I guess you're shutting that down.
Don't even think about it. This is official cooking day. We'll finish all the week's meals.
Are you serious or joking?
Totally serious. And once we're done, we'll have meals ready for the entire week.
And I'll learn new recipes from you, as long as I don't burn anything, of course.
Don't worry. If something goes wrong, we'll just laugh and learn from it.
Well, are all the containers ready?
Almost. We just need to add the finishing touches and arrange everything by day.
You'll add ketchup to the sandwiches, right?
Absolutely. Everything exactly how you like it.
I hope the week goes like this. No takeout, just our meals.
I'm watching you.
Fine, but the best part of today was having fun together.
That's what matters. Even if we're tired, we laughed and discovered new things about each other.
True, and now the kitchen is our happy place.
Let's see. Next week, what new dish we'll try?
That's a whole new topic. We'll prepare together from now.
I'll go to the store later today to get some extra ingredients for the sauces and snacks.
Okay, but don't spend too much. We already bought plenty.
Don't worry, I'll be careful, but I might come back with a few surprises.
Just don't bring another burger home, please.
No promises. But seriously, I want to make the week easier for us.
I can't believe we're actually doing this. Prepping all our meals in one day?
It's gonna be fun. Chop, mix, cook, and pack everything. By the time we finish, we'll have ready meals for the entire week.
And it's way better than ordering takeout every night.
Exactly. And it'll be healthier too. 2 heads of lettuce, please. Some tomatoes. Oh, and don't forget the spices. Yes, that's it.
That's quite a list today.
Yep, meal prep day at home. I'm back. I got the extra vegetables, spices, and some snacks for the kids.
Perfect timing. I just finished washing the lettuce.
Great. Let's start chopping, mixing, and cooking.
And try not to make too much mess.
No promises.
Careful with the knife.
I know. Oh, almost dropped the onion.
That's why I handle the delicate stuff.
And I handle the fun stuff.
The kitchen smells amazing.
That's teamwork for you.
Okay, salads first, then sandwiches, sauces last.
Got it. Everything fits perfectly.
Look at all these meals. We're set for the week.
And no takeout needed. Victory!
I can't believe we actually did it. Together.
Told you it would be fun. And next week, we can try a new recipe.
Can't wait. This actually turned out to be my favorite day off.
Mine too. And every bite we eat this week will remind us of today.
True. It's more than just cooking. It's us spending time together.
Exactly. Teamwork, fun, and a little chaos. Perfect.
Perfect indeed.